Hey everyone, I am back for another day. We are about to round out our second week of Ask a Designer here during this crazy lockdown, quarantine, distancing stuff. As you can see, I moved back inside and it's even messier today because the kids decided to turn the playroom into an office supply store, which I actually thought was pretty hilarious. Anyway, so today's question is, how do you know the right window treatments to select for your windows, depending on the room and the situation? So great question. I love using Roman shades whenever possible in areas like kitchens and bathrooms and areas where you don't want drapery necessarily touching the ground. Another thing you want to be thoughtful about is how close a piece of furniture is going to be to a window. So if you've got a chair or bed butting right up against the window, drapery may not be your best solution. But for rooms that have very tall ceilings or even ones that have really low ceilings, drapery panels and curtains work really, really well because they can help either make a room feel not as overwhelming and large, or it can make the room seem taller based on where you hang your curtain rod. I tend to shy away from things like plantation shutters just because they're very, very traditional and they can be very beautiful, but they are very expensive for one. They're very hard to repair if you need to, or change the paint color of if you need to, but they also block a lot of natural light. So I like to keep it really airy with Roman shades, drapery panels. I go custom 90% of the time. It will give you a better look. It will be like the jewelry in the room. It is worth the finishing costs of doing that. And I think a lot of times that's where people try to cut some money and save a little bit, but I really think they're worth the investment. And then, if you need some privacy shades or if you're doing something a little bit more modern, a solar shade can be great. Something inside mount that can be minimal is awesome. For Roman shades, going back to those real quick, there's all kinds of mounts for them. Usually we're doing an outside mount just to give it a little bit more of a finished feel, but sometimes an inside mount is more appropriate, especially for something like a bathroom where you want to just minimize the fabric exposure to water or any of the humidity in the room. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. I know that was a real quick tip, and I could talk drapery and window treatments all day because there's a lot to say about them, and they're really actually one of the trickier parts of our business to figure out and do correctly because there's so many little details that can go right or wrong. So if you have more questions about them or more specific questions about them, we can get into those too, so send those along. But until tomorrow, y'all have fun and stay safe. Okay, bye.